On a lake in East Africa, 1 million flamingos jostle for space. It's a massive gathering, the biggest flock of flamingos on the planet, and every day it's getting bigger. They're attracted by the safety of the lake, but as more flamingos arrive, this sanctuary is in danger of becoming a battleground. Predators are drawn here too, attracted by the prospect of flamingo flesh. Unusual predators who'd normally never prey on a flamingo. So the stage is set for a violent confrontation. The lives of both the hunted and the hunters are on the line. In a few moments, one of these flamingos might be eaten by an animal that doesn't really hunt birds. But why? This is the exact moment when the flamingo's life hangs in the balance. Will the flamingo cheat death, or is it doomed to die here? To find out, we need to go back in time to look at a flamingo's life and discover the critical events which might have led to this.